Hey, it's JK with you, and welcome to the bonus flip method. This introduction is going to walk you through everything that we're going to cover inside of the bonus flip method. I want to give you the 30,000 foot overview of the lesson and the real value that I want to give you inside this course. And I also want to help you understand where these videos actually came from, because what we've done is we ran a workshop here in spring of 2025 with 105 members, and these are experienced marketers. You know, they've seen a lot of stuff. In some cases, they've promoted lots of different products. In some cases, they've created and sold their own products and done big launches. And this is, not an audience of people who've never seen internet marketing products before. These are very experienced users. And they saw what we put together in this boot camp that you can see here. And one of the key elements in this boot camp was something called the bonus flip method. And unanimously, within the entire 105 members here, everyone agreed that this was really, really intelligent stuff. This was a really unique way of both leveraging traffic that's already out there, kind of built in, especially to the Warrior Plus community, and a way to really start creating and selling your own offers without putting together complicated funnels or anything like that. So a lot of people were totally blown away by this, and then this expanded into some other training and stuff. And one of the members here went and made like $240 and after just doing one of the things that we talk about inside here, and you're going to get all of it. And what we've done is we literally took, because we wanted to make sure we captured all of those golden nuggets and we make sure we didn't lose anything. So we took the content here out of this boot camp and we edited out all the fluff, all the stuff that we didn't think that was absolutely necessary. We cut it all out. And now what you have here, you are a member of the bonus flip method. You now have access to all the content that these 105 members saw, and we took out anything that was maybe getting in the way or not 100% necessary. So you have the full tactical guide to go and follow everything that we taught and everything that was blowing away all of these 105 members. So keep that in mind as you're making your way through the content here. If you're wondering why maybe, during one section I might be talking about a members area, or actually here inside the group talking about the success of one of our users, it's because this video that you're watching is taken from inside the members area to make sure we kept all that goodness in there for you. Now I wanted to just kind of frame that for you and then walk you through an introduction to the bonus flip method. So in March of 2025, I ran an affiliate campaign for a course that was called Book in a Day. And this is used to create, it uses AI to write and format a really high quality book. And I've written a few of these books myself now by using this strategy, and it really is satisfying. And you really do write an entire book, like you've got table of contents and formatting and everything is done, and it looks really high quality, and the content, even though it's AI, is really, really high quality stuff. So I saw that this was a product out there and I wanted to become an affiliate for this product. So what I did was I created a bonus called the book in 60 minutes. Now I'd actually practiced so much with the book in a day strategy that I'd taken all the necessary stuff and I'd created my own way of doing it that only took 60 minutes. So what I did was I actually did a live workshop. So a workshop where people could register for, and I did it live on camera. I actually went and wrote a book entirely in 60 minutes. And I mean literally, we started off with a blank page. I didn't even have an idea of what we were going to go with. I wrote the entire book using the strategy here from Book in a Day, which obviously uses AI to go and do this. And the book was really good, and actually gave it away on the workshop and said, hey, you can go and use this and you can go and sell it if you want. It was a really, really good bonus to put together. It was so good, in fact, that I actually decided that this was going to be kind of my first case study into an idea that I've been working on for a few months before that, called the bonus flip. And this is what the flip is. So what I did was I took my bonus, which was that book in 60 minutes, this live workshop, which at this point was now a replay of that live workshop. I took that video, the book in 60 minutes lesson, and I turned it into a free or a $1 standalone offer. We'll talk more about this inside the course, but you can choose to give it away for free, or you can choose to give it away for $1 or $5 or $10, whatever you want. But the lowest price you can give it away for is $1 if you actually want to go and sell it. We'll talk about this more inside the course, but you can do this with either or. And then I actually went and created a standalone offer without a big funnel or without a big complicated sales page or anything like that. And then after people went and actually grabbed my bonus, which was now a standalone, and keep in mind, people who are grabbing this have never heard of Book in a Day. They're just getting this because this sounds really cool. They want to get this bonus, which I already offered here as a bonus for people grabbing Book in a Day. Now, by the way, using this as a bonus, I think I made like $1,500 in commission for promoting the Book in a Day course. So this was already a really successful bonus, but now I'm using it here because of the flip and giving it away as a standalone offer, either for free or $1. I'm using this as a way to now build up my email list, which is obviously getting me more success with more affiliate campaigns now. But as people were buying, well, either buying or getting it for free, this book in 60 minutes, okay, the natural upsell, once they get this from me, I can just send a quick email and say, hey, go check out something called Book in a Day, because this is actually the course that I used to create this book here in 60 minutes. So naturally, as you can guess, because these are so closely related, right, the marketing and the messaging matches perfectly on point, so that normally in affiliate marketing, if you go and send, like let's say you get somebody onto your email list, you give away something like a traditional lead magnet, like a checklist or something like that. Someone gets onto your email list and then you send them an email that says, hey, go buy this product because it's really good. You'll probably get like maybe 10% of people will go and do that. Well, because of the book in 60 minutes being so closely related to the book in a day, and I literally use the book in a day product as a part of my bonus here, people naturally just wanted book in a day. So when I sent that email that said, hey, do you want to go and buy this product called book in a day? Everybody went and bought it. So we had a huge conversion rate. Normally, like I said, it's about 10, 15, 20% maybe if you're doing really well. We were getting conversion rates of about 60 to 80% for people who were upselling from book in 60 minutes, which was either free or just $1, and now they're paying the whatever it is, $20 or something, to get access to book in a day. So this was a really successful campaign, and then we tested it and tested it and tested it, and now we've done it actually 7 times in 2025, and they just keep getting bigger and better. And that's the real strategy that we're learning about here. And just before I send you off on your way, I wanted to give you just another really quick scenario here about a different way that you could actually go and apply this. So this is obviously what we looked at was an example of how I did it. I want to give you a real example of how you can start doing this and literally starting your own bonus flip as soon as you finish the course. So I just wanted to give an example. You don't have to do this with my own products, but obviously I know my products best, so I'm obviously going to use this as an opportunity to talk about that. So I have a course called RIMS 5. And it's all about launch jacking, all right? And launch jacking is all about leveraging free traffic that's out there at very specific times to go and send that traffic, which is very buyer focused, into going and picking up a different course or a different product or something like that. And what we do is with RIMS 5, so that's a course that I have that's for sale. So let's say that you went and picked up RIMS 5, okay, you actually go through the course and you start following the lessons and you actually follow those instructions and you create your own successful launch jacking campaign using my strategy. So my strategy talks about launch jacking, so you go out and find these really unique traffic opportunities, and you find one for a product called, I don't know, Magic Internet Ebook, all right? And you go and you put together an affiliate campaign and you make sales of Magic Internet Ebook, and that's great. And then what you do is you create a case study of your success selling the Magic Internet Ebook. And even if you only got 2 sales, that's fine, right? That's still a case study, something that you can give away as one of these bonus flips here. So you actually give away the case study all about, your 2 sales or 3 sales of the Magic Internet Ebook, and you give it away for free, or maybe you charge $1 to get access to that, and you create it as a standalone offer on Warrior Plus. And then as people join your email list, either as a freebie seeker or as an actual buyer at this point, whether they bought $1 or $10 maybe if you charge for it, right? They're still going to be a buyer on your email list. Well, guess what? Everyone who joins that case study and wants to see how you made sales of Magic Internet Ebook, they are all a perfect fit to upsell into RIMS 5 with your follow-up email marketing. So if you remember in that previous example, I was using the book in 60 minutes live workshop. That was getting people really interested because people wanted to do what I had just done. So now you can do exactly the same thing and upsell them into, you don't have to do it into my product, obviously. You can do it in whatever product you want. But if you can show that you did something, you got some small win because of the product that you bought, people are going to want to buy that product because they want to get that win for themselves. So this is basically the basics of a bonus flip. This is a really, really, really tight little example to show you how it all works. I really want you to go through the entire lessons here inside the core training and start building out these bonus flips yourself, because it's going to end up with users on your list, it's going to end up with buyers on your list, and it's going to end up with affiliate commissions and sales. And that is the best trifecta you can hope for. So jump into the main content now and go take a look. If you haven't created a bonus before, or you don't feel like you have a good bonus that you can already use to do this, jump into the next module and I will show you how to create some fantastic bonuses. And if you already do have a great bonus, head right into the bonus flip method and start following those steps, because it's super simple, but it works really, really well. See you inside the next lesson. Thanks for watching.